Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new here. Today I'm sharing with you all a unboxing of some DIOR Dway slide sandals I got on sale. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. And I was waiting around for a sale to come by and I was starting to think that there would never be a sale on the DIOR Dway slides. So I was so happy when I saw a Saks sales associate post these on Instagram. So I was able to order from them, but oh my gosh, I'm so happy I got these on sale for 40% off. So I think if you are thinking about these, it is possible to definitely get these on sale, and I would wait if you could. Yeah, so let me get right into the unboxing and let's get started. So here they are in this beautiful DIOR packaging. Gosh, the gold is so cute on the packaging. Here they are. So I did get these from Saks through the mail. If you can talk to some of your sales associates at the store, you can definitely like connect and see if they can send you some pics on Instagram. So you can be the first one to find out about sales. But here they are. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. So these ones are not the like classic version. These are the more sporty versions. They're still called the Dway slides though. I will leave the exact name linked below because the name for this pattern, the classic DIOR pattern, definitely really hard for me to say. It's a French name and I'm not gonna say it, but I'm gonna leave the link and description below. But these were originally $890 and I got these on sale 40% off, so I'm over $350 in savings. I paid about $534 plus tax. But for these sandals, you know that they hardly ever go on sale. I would stare at them at the department store and be like, oh my gosh, I'm waiting for a sale on these, and it finally happened. So I think the best times for sales, from what I've seen now over the years, is like around May, a little after May through the end of summer. You can get them here and there. I know I've seen some like other brighter colors, the orange ones, and more not as standard colors on sale. So definitely keep your eyes out for that. But I was so happy to see these navy ones on sale. These are so cute. And these are such a standard color. The pattern is such a standard, beautiful pattern for them. Look at the detailing on these. These are actually genuine leather on the sole, even although the material here is the cloth, similar to their tote bag, the book tote. So I love that. And let me just try them on for you all real quick. Also, love that they come with the dust bag. Each shoe has its own dust bag. So cute. Love that. And you can see on here that these were originally $890. I'm guessing maybe this was a dot to point out which one is on the sales. Okay, so you can ignore the messy boxes in the background, but look at these. I don't know if they go exactly with this outfit just because of the sporty bottom on here, like the rubber part. Oh my gosh, these are so comfy. Again, I'm normally a size US 10, but I got the 41 in these. They kind of make a bit of a squeaky sound every time I move though, so there's that. Be warned about the squeaky sound. But yeah, I like them. They're so cute. I think they're such a cute statement, like this with some like a white dress or a beige dress even. Yeah, I love these. These are so comfortable. These fit like for sure if you have a wide foot, like these would be perfect for wide foot like wear. I honestly think I could actually size down half a size in these, maybe even one. But I love when my slides fit like this just because of comfortability. And then here up close, you can see what they look like up close. So cute. Love the Christian Dior. I love that the little like pattern sticks out under my toes a little in the leather. I think these are so cute. Now I just need the matching bag. Yeah, so definitely super happy with these. They're really cute. They're really comfy. You know, depending on sizing, I'm a size 10, so maybe actually a 40.5 would have been good. So if you are in that sizing, kind of keep that in mind. The 41 was a tad bit big, but this is the only size they had. It was on sale and I wasn't gonna pass this up. No complaints for the price. Definitely worth the hype, super comfortable. They're not tight here at all. Maybe that's another good thing about the sizing up. These don't squeeze my feet. I think some people have that issue. But yeah, the part here does not squeeze my feet and the width is like amazing. If you have a wide foot, I think these would be definitely a good fit for a wide foot person. So as opposed to the other one, because I know the other one is a little narrow, the standard D-Way slides. So yeah, just want to share with you all this amazing deal that I found. If you are questioning whether you can get a deal on the D-Way slides, it definitely does happen. So if you can hold out for that, I personally would. I think it's so worth saving $400. That's my little review and unboxing on these shoes. I hope that was helpful for you all. And if you do enjoy these types of videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell button if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. But yeah, thanks again for watching, everyone. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!